In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently export your sales data using QuickBooks, a valuable tool for managing your finances and understanding your business's performance. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher, I've got you covered with this straightforward guide. By the end, you'll have your sales data ready in an Excel file, allowing for easier analysis and record keeping. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into QuickBooks Online. You'll want to start by navigating to the QuickBooks homepage. This is your central hub where you manage all aspects of your business finances, from tracking expenses to generating insightful reports. The homepage offers an overview of your business's financial health, and getting familiar with it is a great starting point for better financial management. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to locate and click on the All Sales section. This area of QuickBooks houses all your sales transactions, consolidating everything you need into one place. It's particularly handy because it allows you to review invoices, sales receipts, and even estimates. Clicking All Sales will give you a comprehensive overview of all transactions, and this is where you can choose what to export. Now, with your sales data in view, look for the Export option. You'll typically find this feature at the top of the page, making it easily accessible. Clicking this will initiate the export process, converting your sales transactions into a format that's ready for analysis. It's worth noting that exporting is a flexible option. You're usually able to select specific date ranges or types of sales data to fit your specific needs. As you complete the export process, QuickBooks will generate an Excel file containing all the selected sales data. Excel files are incredibly useful because they allow for detailed data manipulation, making it easier for you to conduct financial analysis, identify trends, or even prepare for tax season. You don't have to worry if you're not very familiar with Excel, as it's user-friendly and offers various features to help you manage your data efficiently. Once your Excel file is ready, you'll receive a notification or a prompt to download it. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to download the file onto your computer. It's that simple. With your sales data now in Excel, you can slice and dice the information to gain deeper insights into your sales patterns, helping drive more informed business decisions. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully exported your sales data from QuickBooks into an Excel file. Whether you're preparing reports for your accountant or analyzing data to improve your business strategy, having this capability is a significant advantage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical QuickBooks tips and tutorials.